In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount code for your Big Cartel store. Whether you're looking to attract new customers or reward loyal ones, setting up a discount code is a great way to boost sales and create enthusiasm around your products. By following these steps, you'll have your discount up and running in no time. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Big Cartel account and are on your dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll notice several options listed, but the one you're interested in today is labeled Discounts. Go ahead and click on that option. This will take you to the discount section where you can manage and see all the promotions you've created in the past. Once you're on the Discounts page, look for a button that says Add a Discount. Clicking on this will open up a new form where you'll input all the necessary details for your discount. Here, you'll start by inputting a unique discount code. Take some time to think of an enticing and easy-to-remember code. This is what your customers will input at checkout to receive their discount. Next, you have the option to add a description. Use this field to provide some context or special conditions for your discount. For example, if it's a holiday sale or if there's a minimum purchase required, be sure to note that here. It's a good opportunity to get creative and make your discount sound as appealing as possible. Now, let's move on to adjusting the settings. You can tailor your discount based on what customers order, or set it to activate only when they spend or order a certain amount. This could be incredibly useful if you want to encourage a higher spend from your customers. Another choice you have is whether to offer free shipping. You can decide if this benefit applies universally or is limited to certain shipping zones. Think about your customer base and what would incentivize them best. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to specify if the discount covers the customer's entire order or just specific products or categories. This can help manage your margins while still offering enticing deals. Consider whether there's a particular product line you want to highlight or a category you'd like to move quickly. Finally, you'll need to set the time frame for when your discount starts and when it ends. This allows you to control the duration of your promotion. So plan accordingly based on any marketing campaigns or key shopping periods that are coming up. Once everything is set up and you're happy with it, simply click Save as Draft at the bottom. This keeps your discount prepared and ready to be activated whenever you're ready without it being live immediately. And there you have it. Your discount is now added and ready to enhance your customers' shopping experience.